think all of you are fine and safe though. Did you send your notes through my WhatsApp? Those who have not finished the notes should finish it and then send it to me. Then let us revise the previous class. I will ask some questions. Can you answer that? First question, who was the main character in the story? Who was the main character in the story? Yes, Tarun was the main character in the story. Was he an average student? Was he an average student? Yes, he was a mediocre student. Mediocre means average. The next, was he a good athlete? Yes, he was a runner, fastest runner. Then next one, what about his brother? Do you know anything about his brother? Was he good at studies? Yes. He was studying in a famous engineering college. He was a good student. Then, where was Tarun sitting? Where was Tarun sitting? He was sitting in a bench in the park. Was he happy or sad? He was sad. What is the reason for his sadness? Because he failed in his terminal examinations and his father scolded him. That is why his father scolded him and his friends teased him. That is why he was very sad. Did anyone come there to see him in that park? Do you know? In order to know that, we have to go to the next part of the lesson. Then, look into your textbook, page number 9. Suddenly, he heard a voice at his elbow. What's it, son? Tarun turned to his left and there sat a man of about 60. I failed in 2 subjects, he replied in a depressed tone. The man smiled sympathetically and said, life is full of ups and downs, my boy. By the way, I am Ram Narayan and you are one of the best runners I have ever seen. Ram Narayan, are you the same Ram Narayan who won an Olympic medal in the 400-meter race in the 1960s? Tarun could not hide his excitement. Yes, Pat came, the reply. Tarun was dazzled. Son, I have been watching you for the past 45 minutes, continued Ram Narayan, and I see a good future in you. Tarun could not help but blush. All you need to do is keep that passion burning in you and never give up. Have you joined any training school? The man inquired. Tarun's smile faded and he seemed distraught. A training school is very expensive, sir, and I am unemployed, said Tarun, feeling happy that he could jog even in these circumstances. But Ramnarayan seemed pretty serious. I will train you if you want, but I put forward a condition. What is your condition? Tarun's voice showed curiosity and anxiety. There is a race on Children's Day at the Nehru Stadium. Children of your age are competing there. If you participate and win that race, I promise I will start training you, said Ramnarayan. That is no big deal. I can do it, can't I? thought Tarun. I will, sir. He heard himself saying with complete conviction. Fine, boy. It's my duty. It's my job to get you angry in the race and remember, yours to win it. Tell me, what is your name? Asked Ramnarayan. Tarun. Tarun Kapoor, sir. Tarun, I will meet you there after 5 days to give you your participation card. All the best, said Ramnarayan and left. On the way home, Tarun thought that if his father had not scolded him, he wouldn't have got this opportunity. What opportunity? Opportunity to meet this opportunity meet Mr. Ramnarayan. The next day brought a new ray of hope. Tarun got up early, had milk, and before his mother could finish her query on what he was up to, he ran out and went to the Nehru Stadium to check the details of the race. He was very happy indeed. Tarun started practicing zealously. Every day he would get up at 4 in the morning and run up to 10 miles. In the evening, he would time himself according to the 1000-meter distance prescribed by the competition. He wanted everything to be perfect. It was for the first time in his life that he was demanding such perfection in things he did. He thought. He also wanted someone to back him up. And so he told everything to his mother. Tarun practiced vigorously for 5 days and then promptly met Ramnarayan to collect his participation card. He gazed at the piece of paper on which his name had been printed boldly, in bold letter. It meant so much to him. However hard, I must win this race, thought he. He wanted to show his father that he was not really the black sheep of the family and that he could be good at something at least. Come back. Did you hear what I had read? Don't you hear my reading? Now it is your turn. Take a pencil, mark the unfamiliar words and find its meaning. Make your own dictionary. Then ready for the questions. What made Ramnarayan say life is full of ups and downs? What made him say so? Ramnarayan wished to pacify Tarun, who was depressed, and thought of encouraging him. He said this general statement of life. The next one. Next question. Do you think Tarun's meeting with Ramnarayan would change his life? Would you think? Or do you think Tarun's meeting would change his life? Can you say? In the beginning of the story, we saw that Ramnarayan tried to encourage or boost up him, or he tried to motivate Tarun, and he accepted that Tarun was an excellent runner. So his words may boost up him and it will change his life. Maybe it will happen. Then what made Ram Narayan say that? It was his job to get Tarun entry into the race. What made Ram Narayan say that? It was his job to get Tarun entry into the race. Why did he say so? In the text we saw how Tarun reacts when Ram Narayan say about the race. How did Tarun respond to it? How did he respond to it? Yes, sir, I will. I can participate. He had a strong conviction that about his winning. Now, whose part is the? Yes, Ram Narayan's part. The first part is for Tarun, and the next part is for Ram Narayan. As a coach or mentor, mentor means coach. As a mentor, it is his duty to encourage his child. When Tarun announced his willingness to participate and win the race, Ram Narayan thought that it was his duty to return his duty in return to get his entry into the race. It was his duty to get the entry of Tarun into the race. The next one. Why did Tarun really want to win the race? Is there any purpose behind it? Maybe he wanted to know his father. He knew that his father considered him as the black sheep of the family. Maybe he wanted to show him that he was not really the black sheep of the family and that he could be good at something at least. Not in studies, but in athletics. Then, is it clear? Shall we go to next? Yes. Ram Narayan saw Tarun sitting on a bench. He looked desperate too. Then Ram Narayan went near him and inquired the reason. Then you have to write the possible dialogue, conversation between Ram Narayan and Tarun. It is an assignment for you. Then in the textbook, there are questions in the right side of the lesson. You have to do that also. How many questions are there? Up to this, 11 questions are there. That questions, you have to find out the answer. You read the lesson well and find the answer. I will send the notes later. Then next session is grammar. We are going to identify the subject and predicate. Subject and predicate. Then take page number 34. Read the sentences given below. That page. Life is full of ups and downs. Life is full of ups and downs. What is the subject there? What is the subject? What is the definition of a subject? The doing word is called verb, but subject, the name of a person, thing or place is called subject. You have to identify the subject and verb. Subject is the name of a thing, place or person. What is verb? The doing word. The doing word is called verb. The subject part, subject and predicate is the subject here. Then life is full of ups and downs. Life is the subject here. Then verb, here helping verb is there. Is. Then from is up to last, it is predicate. Underline that part and write predicate there. Underline life and write subject. Next sentence, a training school is very expensive. A training school is very expensive. What is the subject there? Yes, a training school. Then verb part. Helping verb is there. Then underline from that to end. Is very expensive. That is the predicate. The next one. Children of your age are competing there. Children of your age are competing there. Who was the subject there? Children of your age. Then the other part is predicate. Are competing there. Next, tears were rolling down his cheek. Tears were rolling down his cheek. Tears is the subject and were rolling down his cheek, predicate. That we will take detailed in the next class. In that page 34, identify and write down the subject and predicate of the sentences given above. That you have to write there. The next one, we can recall today's class. Then from the first time, what kind of a boy? Who was the hero in the story? Who was the hero in the story? Tarun. Tarun was a mediocre student, but his brother was very intelligent and he was studying in a reputed engineering college. He was the pride of his family. And this Tarun was a mediocre student and in his terminal examinations he failed. And his father scolded him and he was very sad. In order to release his pent-up emotions, what did he do? He tried to release his pent-up emotions by running. Running was his hobby. At any time, he was ready to run. And if he was very sad, he released his emotions by running. And one day, after his running, he was very tired and sat in the bench in the park. At that time, there came Ram Narayan. And he asked him why he was very sad. And he replied that he failed in his examinations and his father was very angry. But Ramanarayan, what did he do? He encouraged him by saying that he was the fastest runner. He was one of the fastest runner ever. This Ramanarayan. See. And then he encouraged him by saying that, saying to nurture his ability to run by practicing. He was ready to give training for whom? Training to whom? Tarun, in order to participate in the running race. And this Tarun was ready for that. And Ramnarayan tried to boost up him by saying that ups and downs in life is ups and downs in life. For all people, there are ups and downs. And Don said about that. You can release from that by concentrating in your another abilities. Here, this Tarun was a fastest runner. His ambition was to become the fastest runner in the world. And he can forget all other sadness by concentrating his goal to be the fastest runner in the world. Then I have given you some homeworks. Conversation between Ramnarayan and Tarun. And you have to find out the words, difficult words, and find out its meaning. Make your own dictionary. Then the other one, question answers. How many question answers? 11 question answers in the right side of the textbook. Then after writing that, you have to send your notes into my private WhatsApp. Okay. Then it was time to signing off. Thank you.